how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make dry methi that you can use in your North Indian gravies at home. It's very easy to make. So let's get started. There are so many lunch and dinner recipes available on my channel. If you didn't get a chance to check them out, link will be in the description box below. Now let's go and see how to make this dry methi at home. Try it and let me know if it worked for you or not. So in this video, I'll show you how to make your own dry methi, like we call it Kasoori Methi. Take one handful. I took like one handful of fresh methi leaves. Just break the leaves from the branch and just arrange it on a plate like this, and we'll put it for drying. Let me take all of the leaves and then I'll show you. Arrange it like this and keep it near a window where the sunlight falls, and depending on how much sunlight you have, it will take around 4 to 6 days for dry methi to happen. Just every day turn it once and it should be good to go. I'll show you tomorrow morning again. Good morning. This is the second day after we kept it. It's been 2 nights since I kept my methi. Just every morning, just like rotate once. You can see that leaves are wilted and it will soon become dry. It will probably take 3 more days for it to happen. Keep checking every day and keep mixing once so that at the other side also will get a chance to dry. I don't like to keep it in the sun because small dust or something like that will fall into it, so I don't like keeping it out. If you are okay and if nothing falls when you keep it outside, you keep it outside and it will happen faster. This works for me, so I am comfortable doing this. See, today is the 3rd day. You can already feel that it's becoming crunchier. It will be ready in another 2 days. Just keep mixing every single day and it will be ready. Good morning. Today is the 3rd day. As you can see, it became crunchy and ready to break. Almost ready. At this stage you can take it off, but I'll keep for 1 more day so that it will be ready perfectly, and then store it in a box. Our dry methi is ready. As you can see how crispy it became. I like to store it in a box like this and it will stay forever. You don't have to worry about it. Whenever you get some fresh methi, do try it and let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe if you like my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you and bye.